So if your boy can't go to nature, I'm just going to have to bring nature to me. Coconut feeders. I think this might take slightly longer than initially planned. So I think the new plan, I'm going to leave this overnight, crack of dawn, I'm going to be in this window with my camera ready for the birds. If anyone watching this has a safari booked or anything like that, I urge you to cancel it now and save yourself the money, because when I open these shutters here, it's going to look like the Garden of Eden, baby! There's nothing out there. So my feeders, once again, remain untouched. And in a rather cruel turn of events, I can hear lots and lots of birds on the roof of my house. They're mocking me now, it would seem. No. Sophie, we've been burglarised! The thieving bastards. So under the cover of darkness, a pack of birds, I assume it was a pack, I can't see a single perpetrator pulling off something, a heist of this calibre alone. I assume it was the birds that were laughing at me on the roof of my house recently, have descended upon my garden and they've eaten all of the food. Not one of them thought to hang around so I could get a photo or whatever. They just ate the food, the old dine and dash, and they've done one. Unbelievable. Should probably take that out of my pocket. So after I got mugged by a pack of birds, my girlfriend felt sorry for me and bought me these. This time, I'm gonna get them. Round 2, let's go. Alright, this is it. The feeders are out. I ain't moving from this spot until I have photos of birds. Will it take hours? Will it take days? So you want me to find out? So, did it work? The good news is, yes, it did work. The bad news is, it took 2 days. So that is 2 days spent on the floor of my lounge. I cleared this corner of my lounge, pulled the chair out, set a tripod up, used this Captain America cushion to prevent permanent damage to my posterior. I ate food down here, I read books down here, I refused to leave, and it paid off in the end. But this was probably the first time I've made something for YouTube where I was like this deep into it and I was like, this isn't gonna work. Like, this is the first time I thought this is gonna be a total washout. But thankfully, we got some photos. It wasn't easy. We got photos of birds. What a ride. What a ride. This is like 2 weeks of my life. Was it worth it? Absolutely not. Are these particularly great photos? No. Would I do it again? Not a chance. Have the birds that sit on my roof mocking me taken a little part of my soul? Quite possibly. Are my parents disappointed in me? Consistently. But we had some laughs, and in the end, isn't that what really matters? Actually, well, no. But there we go. Photos of birds. Only took 2 weeks of my life. That's cool. I'll never get that back. Sick. Time well spent. I've got no desire to photograph a bird ever again. Like, as long as I live. A unicorn could land in my front garden right now and I wouldn't reach for my camera. I'd just be like, you know what? That's fine. It's fine. But now, joking aside, we will leave food out now through the summer and stuff, and hopefully I can bang off some more photos of birds and wildlife and all sorts of stuff through the summer. It was good fun. I've had a good time, mostly. But anyway, onwards to the next ridiculous thing I decide to do. Thank you for coming on this journey with me. I appreciate everyone that comments on my videos and stuff saying that it's given them a laugh, or, you know, just generally that they've enjoyed it. Like, I do appreciate it. So cheers for coming to hang out. I will catch you in the next one. And hopefully there won't be a f***ing bird in sight. See ya.